So here we go again. I always begin my videos with an afterthought. I just wanted to mention the necessity for replacing a lot of these knobs is they're a plastic, they're just 1950s plastic, and most of it disintegrated, you know, in the sun and in the heat. You can see here, this is the turn signal. It's not in too bad a shape, but you can see it's kind of got some crusting here on the end. These ones just disintegrated when I pulled on them. This car came out of the desert, and I thought it was the desert sun that rotted them, but I found a couple cars up here in Northern California, and it was the same. I thought I'd found a good set of knobs, and when I went to take them off, they just turned to dust in my hand. So these billet ones are pretty nice. I'll show you how I put them on here in just a second.
Shut up! You don't think Ryan is famous?
Cousin Ryan.
You gotta...
Hey, what's up, YouTube friends and family? It's Cousin Ryan, and I just wanted to share with you an alternate dash knob I found for our 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon. I gotta give a shout out and a thanks to Trav Brown in a Facebook group that I'm a part of that is all about, you know, restoring old Fords and so on. He turned me on to these knobs, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, Trav. If you ever watch this, thank you very much. So here we go. You can see one of the new knobs right here. Works pretty good, and you can see here this knob's missing. This is the other air vent for the passenger side, and then the headlight knob is missing as well. These obviously are not accurate, but I'm not doing a by the numbers restoration on this car. It's totally function over fashion. They were, I believe, right around $30 on Amazon. I'll link them down in the description. And here is the package of these right here. I bought the chrome ones. They also come in black. The chrome, well, they're not even chrome. They're more like brushed aluminum. But they were a little bit more. I think these were actually $27 and the black ones were $25, something like that. There's a little set screw right in there for the Allen wrench. And I believe it's a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench that tightens the set screw. Super easy. I will show you guys over here. It literally just slides right on to the knob there. Sorry, I'm doing this kind of one-handed here. Give me just a second. Using one hand to hold the phone and the other hand to hold the... Oh, look at that. There's a much better way of doing this. But we will get it. We are going to get it one-handed. I believe that's on there. I mean, it'll turn the whole knob. That's part of the way of getting this whole thing out of here. But look at that. Beautiful. All right, that's it. Like I said, I will link these down in the description so you can find them on Amazon. Sorry, I was pointing over here and I was looking down here. Made in Taiwan. Not thrilled about that, but whatever. Here is the part number and the barcode. And again, thanks, Trav. Appreciate the help and hope this helps you guys out as well. Talk to you later.
You know, sir, it's Cousin Ryan on the Hollywood Boulevard. You know, sir, he bigger than any superstar. All of us spit you some real dope bar. Some them sweeter than any chocolate bar. Boom! Hey.